Hello. 5 minutes to strategize for the week ahead. The Nifty remained range bound during the week. However, the euphoria created by the humongous oversubscription to the two IPOs during the week must have left the investors in happy minds. For the long-term investor, maybe he will be kind of disturbed by the exponential revenues being registered by sectors like IT-enabled services, while the likes of hospitality sector are showing stunted revenues. Maybe he may be looking for a better measure to even out such kinks in revenue. In the year 2005, Robert Shiller authored the book Irrational Exuberance. In 2013, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Economics for creating asset pricing models. He has postulated a formula CAPE, C-A-P-E, cyclically adjusted price-earning ratio. This is the price divided by the moving average price earnings over the last 10 years, adjusted for inflation. Maybe such investors can have a look at this number for a rational pricing of or valuation of future earnings. Last week's guidance on the rupee against dollar was a seesaw around 73. However, the swing confined to the lower side of 73 and the week ended at 73.55. With Reliance Retail likely to bring in more inflows and the fuel demand being what it is, kind of muted, the rupee is unlikely to witness much volatility and could pivot around 73.50. The GBP has been exhibiting mild weakening trend against the rupee, but the euro has been appreciating in the same mild measure against the rupee. Next Wednesday afternoon, Jerome Powell's press conference will be looked at for some cues in the market, though the Fed Reserve has clearly outlined their long-term approach to inflation management. Back home, the National Statistical Organization will be releasing the inflation number for August on Monday, but the poll hovers around 6.90. This number of inflation is way above the Parliament mandated cap of 6%, so the RBI Monetary Policy Committee, whether they will revisit their armory in trying to contain inflation. The benchmark 10-year bond yield was range bound and ended around 6%. Gold prices were also in a narrow range, so also the options volatility. NVIX 50 closed at 20.68. As Monday opens up, remember to pay your advance tax. Have an interesting week ahead.